So I'm checking out my Walmart aisle. I'm hoping they got better since the last time I was here. It's not looking promising.
Is it not bussin'?
It's not bussin'. So we got 4 balls of the new Pioneer Woman yarn and some Red Heart that's out of place. I'm gonna go put that where it's supposed to go. And I don't know if this is true. I heard it through the grapevine that they are getting rid of the this mainstay right here. You guys let me know if you heard anything like that. I mean, by the looks at my Walmart they are, but my Walmart never really has anything, so them not having this is really nothing new. But let me know if you've heard this one right here, their value mainstay 100% acrylic, if they're getting rid of that and discontinuing it. I'm not certain. I did hear it from a few people though, so you never know. Okay, same old cotton cones, but I think that's a good place to get them as far as price wise. This is oh, that one's pretty. I'm thinking fall though. That's not going to be very fall. See, we got more cotton. I bought Walmart cotton last time I was at a different Walmart, so I like it better than Peaches and Cream.
Was it the
What?
Walmart that was an hour away?
Yeah, the good Walmart. Go back there one day, I guess.
We have to go to that nursery.
Oh yeah.
It looked really cool.
That mandala, I always like this color, this baby mandala. We thought it was pretty. Wishing Well, isn't it?
Ooh, baby.
No, Echo Caves. I am so not on with the mandala anymore.
Totally not the crochet.
I hope they don't.
You thought you were.
I know. I never thought I was, but I do like Mainstays acrylic. Or anti-pill acrylic. I hope they don't get rid of it. I always say in every video.
Tomorrow.
No, I just wish I had more of a color palette. I always say in every video that I would put this up against any anti-pill on the market.
You know, they need to design a Bob Ross line of yarn.
And it's less expensive. A Bob Ross line?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that would be awesome.
And titanium white and what are those? What are the
phthalo blue
Phthalo blue,
and
phthalo blue.
caladium yellow, I think.
Yeah.
And I don't know what it is. Yeah,
Yeah.
that would be so cool.
See, they need to.
I'm going to send him an email. I think PBS owns all the rights to
Bob Ross.
Bob Ross. His son might own a few. I don't know. I'll have to look into that. That'd be a good line, wouldn't it, guys? I don't know about you, but I love Bob Ross.
When you said color palette, it made me think of this.
Of his color palette. Well, I'm going to put this yarn back where it goes. Right here. Is that the right one? No, right here. Favorite stripe.
You're home now, yarn.
You're back where you
safe.
belong. Someone didn't want you.
All alone there in the empty shelf.
Well, nothing up here. But a bunch of red. Red Heart Super Saver in red.
Either Walmart just isn't getting very much yarn, or people around here really like to crochet and knit.
No, maybe it's people around here don't. That's why they don't have very much yarn. What do you think, Liv?
About what?
Nothing. Love you.
She's just dancing.
This is beautiful.
It's blondie,
Pretty
like
color.
the cartoon.
It's just their claret color. I don't even know. It is. That is such a beautiful color. What could I make with that? Oh, that's pretty. Mulberry? I don't know. Red Heart has such a color palette on their Red Heart Super Saver. Good old Red Heart. Really can't go wrong with it. Can you?
No, you can't.
Well, as you can see, my Walmart has nothing new. Oh, look, they got a little end cap. It's Peaches and Cream.
That's new.
That's new.
But the Peaches and Cream is not new.
Yeah, but it's the same yarn that they have at the end of the aisle. So, nothing about it is new. I want to make something with that claret. Hey, babe, fall's coming up, right?
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure.
What do you think about...
Check the calendar.
Liv, what would you pick out for some fall colors for like a...
This one, this one, this one.
You would pick out that bright orange? Why not like that one?
And this one, because they
They're
get
both
fiery
fall.
orange.
I mean, you need like burnt orange.
I know. What about this? Oh, that's just more red. It's more red. Why do they have so much red? I don't understand.
It's Red Heart.
It's red everywhere. All right.
Red's in the name.
You know, I see here.
Mustard. This is yellow, not orange.
So yeah, you need a more. Is that my pumpkin? I already have like 2 pumpkins on my tutorials on my channel. I don't think I could do another. I guess I could, but is it pumpkin?
Yeah. Do this one, that green.
Definitely that one.
This
That
one.
looks like our trees. Yeah. I'd have to get a more folly orange, I think.
This one.
Oh yeah, that would work out well. Definitely not that one. Oh, Red Heart's color palette's unbelievable though. Can't beat it. Huh?
Why don't they have burnt orange?
They do. They just don't have it at this Walmart. I mean, they got a massive amount.
Oh, here, this is good for fall.
All right, I'm gonna check the end cap because you never know, and it might surprise you. Oh my gosh, it's Tupperware.
Is it desolate?
It's nothing. It's nothing. What's over here? Ribbon and sewing machines. I have a sewing machine that I can't even use. I'm really bad at it. You know, did you happen to notice if they had
You know what? They have a singer and they have a brother, but you know what they need? A
What?
teacher.
a teacher? I know. They have plenty of them on YouTube. Hey, I was going to ask you. The Pioneer Woman came out with a crochet kit. It's a towel of hers, and then you crochet the top of it to go around your oven.
Oh,
It comes with the yarn, the towel. Let's see if they have them.
that's...
They don't have them here. They don't have nothing here.
Would they have it in the yarn aisle, or would they have it in the...
If they had it, it would probably be here with the crochet stuff, and it's probably at the other Walmart that's an hour
That's what I
away.
was gonna say.
We're going to have to go there and get it so I can test it out.
Whenever I get done working tomorrow, we'll drive over there.
Maybe. We'll see if we can beat the heat. Oh, look, she does have... Someone was asking me if I would check these hooks out. I am not a fan, I can tell you, of any hook. Is that them? No, that's embroidery. I am not a fan of any hook except for Hero, Gem, and once in a while Boya. But for the sake of education, I will buy one of these and I will
Review it?
review it and tell you if I think it's like made good or, you know, and you know, see what it looks like,
Comfort.
you know, and what sizes it come with. I guess you can see that in the package, and comfort, I guess. But just remember, I am a Hero person, so my review might be a little bit biased, but I'll be as honest as I can. And I'm going with this one. I love that pattern of hers. That's what my dishes are. I'm getting that one. Now, she don't have the crochet kit here, does she?
No.
She's got the embroidery kit.
Don't forget your
Alright.
bag.
My Freddy bag.
What kind of outfit you
All right, well, guys, that's my Walmart trip. I guess I'll check out them hooks when we get back, or on my next review. I'll open them hooks and we'll talk about them. Okay? I'm sure you've seen other YouTubers talk about them. Like I said, I don't normally do hook reviews, but since it's a Pioneer Woman and I love her so much, I'll check her hooks out because a lot of people did ask me to do that. So, yeah, my Walmart sucks again. Next time I go to that one that's like an hour away, the really good one that I found, super small but good, I'll take you guys along. Hopefully they'll have that Pioneer Woman towel kit, and we'll look at that as well, for those of you who like the Pioneer Woman.